What are the typical closing costs? Hi there. If you're getting ready to buy a home, you've probably heard the term closing costs mentioned a few times. But what exactly are closing costs and how much should you expect to pay? Today, I'm going to break down the typical closing costs so you know what to expect when you're ready to close on your new home. Closing costs are the fees and expenses you'll need to pay when you finalize the purchase of your home. These costs usually range from 2 to 5% of the purchase price depending on where you live and the specifics of your mortgage. Let's take a look at some of the most common closing costs you'll encounter. First up, we have loan-related costs. This includes the loan origination fee, which covers the lender's cost to process your loan and can range from 0.5% to 1% of the loan amount. You might also have to pay points, which are upfront fees to lower your interest rate, and credit report fees. Next, there's title insurance and title search fees. The title search ensures the property's title is clear of any liens or legal issues. Title insurance protects you and the lender in case any title issues arise after you've purchased the home. These costs can vary, but they're typically around a few hundred to $1,000. Another key cost is the appraisal fee. The lender will require an appraisal to determine the value of the home and ensure it's worth the loan amount. This typically costs between $300 and $500. You'll also need to cover the home inspection fee. While this isn't always required, it's highly recommended. A home inspection helps you identify any potential issues with the property before you buy it. This usually costs around $300 to $500, depending on the size of the home. Then there are prepaid expenses. These include property taxes, homeowners insurance, and mortgage insurance premiums, if applicable. These costs are often paid up front at closing and held in an escrow account from which your lender will pay these bills on your behalf. You'll also see government fees on your closing statement. These include recording fees for legally documenting the sale with your local government and transfer taxes if applicable. These fees vary depending on your location. Finally, you might encounter miscellaneous fees like courier fees, attorney fees, and HOA transfer fees if you're buying in a community with a homeowners association. These costs can add up, so it's important to review your closing disclosure carefully. So what are the typical closing costs? They include loan-related fees, title insurance, appraisal and inspection fees, prepaid expenses, government fees, and possibly a few others. While closing costs can add up, being prepared with these expenses will help ensure a smooth closing process. If you have any questions about what to expect, I'm here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home buying tips and advice. And if you're getting ready to buy a home, feel free to reach out. I'm Rosen in Chicago with Keller Williams. I'm here to help make the process as easy as possible.